Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna give you a little update on my little cabinet for my CNC table. Been working on it all day. Just quit about 30 minutes, 45 minutes ago. But, that's about as far as I got today. And it's pretty much how I kind of thought about it when I was making it. But I'll let you look at it right quick.
top lid. This one would have a lot of intricate little cuts, circles, triangles, and stuff. I'm going really quite cheap. That's right. That's the 32 Ford cutout, and this is all gonna be plexiglass up here on the top. The holes are all gonna be covered. That's the power cord, and every hole all around the side is gonna be plexiglass. So you got it where you can take this off, slide it off, slide it back on, and then I want it to be able where you can get inside. And I kind of changed up on the design. I had 4 of them, but these magnets are pretty strong. But you can take that off too. That way, the drivers, I got 4 drivers I'm gonna pin in here. That's gonna be the red board, the brain right there, and then the power supply. It's gonna be on this side. And yeah, the ones I've seen online, and the cabinets that come with these CNC tables, I kind of kind of figured out the process and how to work the table now. And these are bolt gauges I added. I cut this out. That's the original box down there that has all the goodies in it. But this is the rat's nest back here in the back. I'm gonna clean all that up with that new box. This is the Z drive, the power supply. I had it separate. This is another power supply and some terminals. This is what activates the plasma cutter. And that's it up there in the dryer. Got some 110 supplies, and that's the relay for the router up here on top. But I'm gonna clean all this up, and I got a neon light that works on remote control, does different colors, so that'll be pretty cool. And I got my Davis Vintage Metal Racing logo on the back end. It's gonna be the on and off. And I went and did two of them. These are gonna be toggle switches, but just in case I wanted to add something, I'll have them.